often I get emails and messages from students asking me how can they use, where can they find emojis to use in their LinkedIn posts like this. And the thing is that if you try to write a post on LinkedIn, you'll see that there is no icon for emojis. So a lot of times people get confused, like how are some people using this? Well, there is a few ways. And one of them is you have to go to the profile of one of your connections, go to message, and here you will click in this part and you'll find all the emojis. You also have this search bar tool that allows you to search for keywords. So if you were looking for a plain emoji, you grab plain and then just click on it. You will have to copy it and then come here and paste it. Yes, I know it's a little bit annoying, but that is what LinkedIn gives us for right now. The other option that you have is you can go to this LinkedIn post. You will be able to find the article in the links below and you can save it as favorites. Here in this article, if you scroll down, you will find all the different emojis that you can use on LinkedIn. You can just copy it and paste it. And then another option that you have is if you go to my blog and you subscribe, you will receive this document here. And if you scroll down in this Word document, you'll have all the different emojis as well. So you can have them in your computer at any given time and you can use them, just copy and paste. So you have those three options. I hope this is useful for you. And if you're wondering, is it really worth using the emojis? Well, it is, because when you are scrolling down through the homepage of LinkedIn, when people are scrolling down, trying to find something that is interesting to them, if they see the emojis, this helps capturing the attention of the readers. They are not necessarily going to read your post, but it might capture their attention. It increases the chances. Does that mean that you should blast people with a bunch of emojis? Absolutely not. Emojis need to make sense with what you're writing, but most importantly, they need to make sense with your style, with your industry, with who you are, with your country. If you are in a suit and tie industry and everyone is super professional and emojis is something that is not accepted, then maybe you shouldn't use them. But if you're in other industries that welcome this kind of tools, then absolutely. So should you use them in every single post? No. Try to use them with measure, use them well, use them some days yes, some days no. But the important thing is that now you know where you can find them. Also, something else that you can do is use them for your headline or in your profile, like in the about section or in the experience section. That depends on you. Is it better to use them in the headline? Not necessarily, because it doesn't help with SEO. That's something that you need to consider. Right now, if I were to start my headline with LinkedIn, it will be a lot better than started with this emoji here. So, something to consider too. Anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope that it helped you find the answers you were looking for. And if you learned something, please like it and subscribe. Particularly if you're interested in learning more about sales, LinkedIn, lead generation, and more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.